Hop in. It's adventure time.
Ready for my close-up?
What's going on, everybody? So, we are going on an adventure up American Fork Canyon today in the snow.
Yes.
And I just thought this would be a good opportunity for Brayden to show our new tripod that she just pulled out of nowhere and said, can we open an early Christmas present? And I said, of course.
I didn't want to wait until Christmas because it's that awesome. It's a phone and camera tripod, so that's pretty cool. And it has two different ways that you can do it.
Just show them the tripod.
Okay. Show them the tripod. Just so mean. Just show them the tripod.
We're not experts on this.
We're really not.
So we're not going to try to explain how good it is because it could suck.
It could, but it probably won't. So it has this little device for your phone, and you put it on, and then it like screws on, so it's all tight and stuff, and holds it all nice, like this.
Just show them how compact the thing is.
This is the tripod.
Fits in that little guy.
It's a little dude.
If I do some moto camping, or we do some hiking, or we do some stuff like we're doing today, we won't have to bring the giant tripod, which is nice. But hopefully this little guy can replace it. Okay, now show them how wide it opens the bottom, like how wide the bottom opens.
Okay.
This is what I'm impressed about. I thought it was going to be some small base, but it's actually like a normal tripod base. Ta-da! And that is our product review of today.
Well, not really. It also has a cool little remote, and you can hook your camera up to it. It goes really tall, so then you can do like selfies and stuff. Selfies. You can take self-portraits with it and not have to ask strangers to hold your phone and your camera, which I really like, because who can trust people these days? We're happy with our purchase.
Yeah, well,
so
we
far.
have never tried it yet, so
we'll let you know when we try it.
We're happy that it's small.
We're happy that it's small and that Bryce can take it on his motorcycle. I'm really good at giving gifts, okay?
So we're going up American Fork Canyon. It's actually not our only product review because we got sent another RC car. It's a GP Toys RC car. It's a four-wheel drive one, 160 bucks. They claim it's hobby grade. I've been driving it around the house actually, and I'm very impressed with it. I really like it.
It's fun to drive.
It controls a lot better than that little $60 flame piece does. I think it's going to be it's going to do pretty good. So we're going to kind of review that. That's kind of the point of today, is lightly playing the snow. We're going to drive it around up American Fork Canyon in the snow.
Yep.
And that's going to be Brayden's RC car, because there's I just figured out there's a mode on it that goes like slow mode. It's supposed to be like,
because I obviously need slow mode.
Rock crawling mode, but it'll just be fun for people who like don't want to just go super fast right away, to go kind of get the feel of it and then flip it into fast mode. We got 4 RC cars with us, so
not enough, right? Not enough.
So yeah, that's what we're doing today. It's gonna be fun.
So fun. So I found out that it comes with this little remote, dude, and you can pair it to your phone with Bluetooth, and it paired super easily. My phone found it really fast, and then you can push this little camera button and it'll take pictures like this. Boop. Picture.
Yeah.
So
just
yeah,
get it right in the tripod and then you're set.
it's kind of cool because then you don't have to do self-timer or anything, which can be really frustrating. So this is very impressive. I'm very impressed with our little Christmas present so far.
quick, Braden's gonna give it a test. This is, she's driven cars before, but I wanna see how she handles it. I think it handles pretty well. You're handling that thing good. Would you agree it'd be a good first car for someone?
Oh yeah. There's not as much like of a instant response to it. Like it responds good, but it's not as jerky as like your other cars.
It's kind of slower, a slower start, so it's not so crazy. Because the other cars will be doing wheelies, and it's just kind of crazy.
Liam loves it.
Four-wheel drive really helps it stay in control, but it's not too powerful like some of the other hobby cars where it's just absolutely kind of dangerous. I'm surprised how, oh well, I literally was just about to say I'm surprised how well you're handling even in the snow.
Please don't show that.
Alright guys, and there you have it. There is the Venom Hunter by GP Toys, sent to us by Ciro Toys, driven by a, what do we call you, rookie, novice, by a beginner. Oh my gosh, Liam's driving, he's gonna crush it. Okay, now it's really being driven by a beginner. So Braden is a beginner and she was able to handle that thing well. I would recommend it for a beginner RC car for sure. Okay, my 2-year-old son is driving it now. Obviously this is not going to end well. This is full speed right here. Definitely thought it was going to be faster than that. See if it's really waterproof though. Full speed. I think this would be a great entry-level car for someone wanting to get into it because you can switch this to low. So this is full speed right here. This is technically for crawling, but obviously it's not going to crawl this deep of snow. We're going to keep it in the high gear. It controls really good. Alright guys, so the battery died on this Venom Hunter. Braden was tearing it up. Liam was loving it. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Take the body off. Oh yeah. The thing I love about this car though is everything's enclosed besides, I think this is either the receiver or the ESC. Looks like the receiver. I think I was calling it the ESC earlier, but right, pop that guy right off. Here's the little baby LiPo it comes with. It comes with 2 of these. You can either run one in there like I was doing, which I wanted to do because I could cover it and I knew it'd be getting wet, or you can use a strap and use both LiPos at once and have double the run time. So that's what it is, guys. One thing I want to point out real quick is it's completely dry inside the battery bay. That's pretty nice. First run, success. Has the headlights there, the tail lights in the back it comes with. Awesome. All right, guys. It's time to bust out the big boy. Traxxas Hoss. Got a fully charged 3S LiPo. Oh yeah. Now this is a hobby grade RC car, boys. So there's lots of snow down on on the water or the ice, so I don't know if this thing will run actually, but woohoo, boys. You want to see a good top speed? Let's do this. Oh, it's out of here. My electronics are not covered up in the Hoss though. If I'm not careful, I could run right into someone. Half throttle. I love this car. Oh, nope, not gonna happen. Too much snow. Come on, Hoss. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, and we're up. Here we go. That's what I'm talking about. Here we go, baby. About half throttle, quarter throttle right here. Oh yeah. And we're up. Here we go. Oh! Oh! I hit the brakes because I was heading right towards my vlog camera and it just flipped. That was amazing. Oh my gosh. Look at my microphone covered in snow. Okay. Alright guys, my Sony RX7 vlog camera is completely wet. Better get out of here before I ruin something. The Hoss. Oh, the Hoss. Did amazing out here. Snow's a little too deep for it. May have to get the X Max. Who knows? But this is a good spot to end the video. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you guys in the next one. I'm way too excited.